Good afternoon. This is Val Lemoyne, CEO of the Real Estate Made Easy Group, powered by Keller Williams. We are at one of my flips here on Waldrop Circle on a spring yellow day in Marietta, Georgia. This house used to be a 2-1 and I converted it to a 3-1. So we finished the carport over there, and that's our new mud room slash laundry room. Let's go check out the house. So this front porch was original, and we actually left it. I did consider enclosing it, but decided against it. So all the windows have been changed, the hardwoods, the entire kitchen is redone. We actually went marble on the countertops instead of granite. Soft close cabinets, floor to ceiling. Here, this used to be part of the carport, and it is now a mud room. We've got a tankless water heater here as an extra sizzle feature. We've got our washer and dryer hookups. So here we've got a double door pantry, which will have wire shelving put in here. So this was an existing bedroom. None of the walls were changed over here. We did completely redo the bathroom, the shower, and then we've got a walk-in closet right here as well. Everything is new on this house. We changed the electrical, the plumbing, the HVAC, the roof, the gutters, everything. So this used to be part of the dining room right here. We opened up this wall, that's why we've got an LVL. So this room's a little bit smaller. It's 10 feet wide by 14 feet long. So more than likely, this is going to be an office. This bathroom was added onto it right here. This was part of the second bedroom originally, so we've got a full bath. And then here is our third bedroom. And this used to be the walk-in closet, part of the laundry right here. So we basically changed all the walls on the inside. The permitting process going through COVID was just crazy here. And then we added on this back deck, new siding as well, fenced in backyard, still have a little bit of landscaping to do. And this house will be hitting the market in 2 weeks. So if you guys are looking for a house in Marietta, 1,100 square feet, let me know. We are over here in Deerfield Circle at another flip, and come on and check it out, guys. This house is in complete disarray. We just redid the front and back deck. So for it to be code, you have to have a 3-foot landing right here at the deck. So this is an example of a permitted footer. So the footer sits above ground, and then there's a metal brace that is set into the footer once the footer is, before it's dry. And then you've got your 6x6 here that rests inside the brace. And then it is notched, and then your 2x12 is bolted into the notch, right? This is still in progress. So we've got a lot to do over here. So everything has been demoed. We are in the kitchen here. So there used to be a wall that was right here. This wall was taken down, and we've got an LVL that's going across right there to support the weight. The kitchen now is going to be completely open. This used to be the dining room, and part of the kitchen is going to be absorbed into the dining room, so it's not going to have a formal dining room anymore. We've got a brand new deck in the back as well. We've started doing some work on the plumbing. So this is going to be the secondary bathroom. We're going to have a double vanity here. We've already got our tubs in. So this is secondary bedroom. We had to redo some of this framing right here because of a roof leak that we had. So this is the laundry room. You can tell that all the plumbing is already new, as well as some of the framing right here. So it's already got a new roof on it, but this was a roof leak from the previous owner. And so of course this will all go away and get. This hole right here was also there at the house when I bought it. So here we are in the master. this was crazy. We basically just had to tear all this out. Same thing, tear everything out in the master bath. So when I bought this house, this was a 3-2 with an unfinished basement. This was the survey. Every time you pull permits, you gotta have a survey of the house. So this is the front of the house. That's the driveway right here. Here is the top floor. So we kind of used the existing footprint except opening up the kitchen. So you can see where the island is going to be right here. This was the original wall with the LVL that's pointed out. Then down here in the basement, we added this bathroom right here, and then we also turned this into a bedroom, which we're gonna go and check out here in a second. So let's go check out the basement. So here we have a 2-car garage, which needs to be cleaned out and opened up. This is a brand new furnace. It was put in just last week. Everything's gonna be new. All the plumbing, the electrical, the HVAC. Here is where the bathroom is going to go. So you can see we had to drill into the foundation of the house for the plumbing. This is all new framing right here. So this is where this is gonna be my 4th bedroom. And so we're gonna have these 2 windows. This is going to be a good sized bedroom, teen suite with its own full bath. And then this is going to be the rest of the basement right here. So we're adding about 1,150 square feet with the footprint of the entire basement. So it was a 3-2, about 1,800 square feet, and now it's going to be a 4-3 at about 3,100 square feet. So here's an example of a permitted deck again. So if you look right here, you can see the metal sticking out under the joist and then on the other side as well. And that's called metal flashing. And the whole purpose of that is to make sure that no water gets trapped between the deck and the house. So it's super easy to see if a deck was permitted or not. Because number one, it's gonna have flashing. It's gonna have all the braces. The footers are gonna look like this, where they're gonna be raised above the ground with a metal bracket that sits in it. And then your 6x6 is gonna sit inside the metal bracket. Then it's going to be notched on the very top part so that the trusses can sit on the notch, and then those are going to be bolted in to the 6x6. So it's a great looking deck, not a cheap deck, but a great looking one. So that's it, guys. This is how we turn ugly houses into pretty houses. If you want to hear more, please like, follow, and subscribe. This is Val Lemoyne signing out.